Okay, we're continuing with the clock project. We're going to add the pocket for the clock. So, okay, I'm going to close this out for a moment and grab my circle tool. Actually, before I go to the circle tool, I'm going to go to the border layer and grab the circle tool. And let's make a circle that represents the outline of our clock. So the clock measures about 360 thousandths, 3 inches, 360. Close that out. Now that circle is the outside of your clock, and you're going to decide where would I like to put this. And you don't have, you can have it up against your border if you wanted to. It's just kind of a visual reference where the outer edge of that, so we don't get our text to overlap. I think I might bring in a picture in a little bit. I'm going to go back, make one more layer, and I'm going to make this the clock pocket layer. Alright, and we don't necessarily need these separate layers, but I'm going to make another circle on the clock pocket layer, and this one is going to be a 3-inch diameter circle. This is really important because this is going to be where the clock fits. Now I'd like these things to line up together, so I'm going to go in here and center those selections together, and then you can highlight them all, and if you use your arrow keys you can move things around. So the inner circle represents what we're going to cut away. I'm going to temporarily turn our borders off so we can't see them, and we're just looking at the artwork here. If we go up to toolpaths now, we're going to learn how to put in, close that out. We're going to add a pocket toolpath. So we're going to select a 1/2 inch straight bit right here for the wood, and we're going to do a cut depth of about 5/8 of an inch. Alright, so 0.625, and we're going to call it 0.5 bit so we know what bit size it is, and pocket. Alright, I hit calculate, and if I take a look you can see that it's going to cut out that circle. We can preview that toolpath. And you can see we now have a pocket for our clock.